Hello, I am looking at Docker.io, which is a containerization engine which makes applications portable and virtualizes them a little bit like a Heroku Dino or an application on Ninefold. So let's see. No, that's installation. You got one here for Fedora. I've just installed this. All of these steps. Now WM Docker is not available unless you're on Fedora 21. I changed that yesterday to Fedora 21. Obviously not pushed to master yet. Right. Forgot it starting at boot. Now I'm going to do this, but what I've run is I've done here, I've done Docker pull Ubuntu. So here I'm going to run Ubuntu and not Fedora. I don't know why I'm sudoing that, because it tells me to here. That doesn't sound right. Because these instructions don't tell me to cover adding me to the Docker group. Now I'm also added to the Docker group, which is in another tutorial, which gives me Docker privileges but not overall super user privileges. And here I am. I can do ls cat set release, and we see that I'm in Ubuntu 14.04. Now, this is the memory of the host machine, not my machine. This file system, this little file system belongs to Docker somehow. I seem to be missing the left-hand column of this, which is kind of odd. No, I'm missing the left-hand column because this name is so long. So, some big file systems, including a root file system with 9 gigabytes free. That's a virtual kind of snapshot file system. I will go to the Hello World example. Download a BusyBox image. Now I can quit out of here and bring this up so you can see it better. Don't forget the sudo, I'll just do docker run. I'll just use the Fedora that I've got, the Ubuntu that I've got here. Bin echo hello world. This is running the application from outside. Sure enough, the answer comes back on a pipe to my console on a stream. So that gives me a chance to start on the next example. We'll run a simple hello world daemon and it will just print hello world every second. So we assign a variable. I've never seen it done that before, and that's the evaluation of this. So it gives me a variable, but it runs this command, and it actually just runs it in the shell. So it's not a real reusable daemon. It won't restart when it crashes, but it will run all the time. So oops, take out sudo, and I've got Ubuntu. Just run that. So it's busy, and I can just do docker logs, this next command down here. Docker logs container ID. Using that variable and showing up in those logs. Really, I could do tail F. See if that works. Yep. So it just kind of gives me the logs. I could just do docker logs, pipe it to a tail, and 5, just get the last 5 entries. Yeah. No timestamp, no nothing, boringest program ever. Now, how do I stop it? Well, let's run this next. So, I like this one. So I can attach to the process and exit a little bit like screen. And sure enough, it's talking every second. If I control C, supposedly it's still running. Docker PS. It's been up for 2 minutes. It's still running this command. And I'm not quite sure who Nostalgic Curie is. It's the name of the process, so I don't know if it's making them up. Docker stop. So, and eventually something happens. It's returned me a number. That's the original container ID. How do I know it stopped? Well, there's nothing in the Docker PS list. And does my image still exist? Just do docker attach. Let's just start it first. So attach it to that stop container. Um, Docker run bin bash. Just get me right in there. Yep. Actually, not entirely sure what's going on. So the run started it, but I got into a shell somehow. IT, so it's that I for interactive, I'm guessing. Look at the manual in a minute. Man Docker, see if there's a manual in there. No manual command in there. That stops it really fast at starting up and down. Man Docker. And Docker run. Dash I. I is interactive. And T is teletype terminal. Okay, so that's a very successful first few steps in Docker. Thanks for watching.